Jamrock home. Presents. The Reject. Jamaican movies full. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss,
How me go get out of this situation here? I'm going to tell Petra she should drink the Pepsi and the rusty nail and the girl, she just don't want to listen to me in a star. My mother here all listen, I don't even know what she going to do to me. I know that she going to get rid of me. My little girlfriend at school. How she going to manage her in time she hear all this? You know what kind of lie I can tell my mother right now to get out of this trouble here, you know. Because I know so when time Petra she go up there, you know, one piece of bangarang she go cast up there, you know. Call my girlfriend and make she know what I go on from early, you know. Just fed up, you know. Doesn't know what to do, I tell you the honest truth. I don't know what to do.
Hello?
Babes, you reach at school yet?
Yes, I just reached at school and I'm wondering how I don't see you yet.
One piece of something just happened to me a while ago, you know.
What happened? You alright?
You know, say Petra tell me, say she don't even know if to tell you. I tell you the honest truth.
What happened? What happened?
I see Petra this morning and she tell me, say she pregnant for me.
What do you mean by Petra says she's pregnant for you? You see how long I've been warning you about this girl? You see how long I've been warning you? I tell you to come out of that girl company, you know. And now you tell me that she said that she's pregnant for you.
Babes, remember say, you tell me say she and Delroy there, you know, babes.
Yes, me tell her say she and Delroy, them say she and Delroy together, but listen to, I this a call me to tell me in the morning. I this a call me to tell me in the morning, the only thing I have to tell you is stay here. You see, if she really pregnant for you, it's over.
Babes, hear me and say, I just too, she knows say my mother have money make she a babes, say, you know. She just want to give me the pitney, and I know say I know my pitney babes.
You know say it's not your child. You go there before?
One time me ever do it. One time I remember me tell you, you know. One time can't pregnant somebody, babes.
Listen to me. Listen, you see if you keep your hood in your pants, you see if you keep your stick in your pants, this won't happen. You hear what me have to say? And as long as, listen to me, if this really happened, listen, I don't have anything to say to you. I can't deal with you right now.
Babes, Jesus Christ, mighty God, I really get myself, you know. Better become go. I really get myself in now. Everything just a turn against me. Every single thing just a turn against me. Better me go up a yard before all Petra she reach up there and go tell my mother this, you know.
You're not staying at the house another night. Not another night you're not staying at the house.
Daddy, me sorry.
Take this back from me.
Daddy, me never mean be pregnant me.
Listen to me. Take this back from me and take out your clothes them from out of the drawer. You're not turning here another night. Me and your mother work so hard to send you go to school to get a good education, right? We just pay for your CXC. And look what your cost for we now. What's up your mouth that you need to do? Without you never give him it, he couldn't get it. The two no work together, so the two no agree. It's a bird of a feather flock together, and you and him flock together. Mister, take out everything out of the jar and left a piece in here. We don't want nothing in the house to remember you're from.
We don't want
You're a disgrace to us. 1 year you have leave back in a school and look where you cast by way. Look how me and your mother put you up in the sky. And look there. You drop your could drop right for our face.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Every day we talk about the neighbor them picnic. And look where you come. Me say take out everything out of the drawer. You don't want nothing for you in the house. Take them out. Petra. No make me get irritable in this house here, no Petra. You hear what me say? What could have come over your Petra? You see this state when me and your mother live in a poverty, right?
Daddy, I
I say shut your mouth. You see me and your mother in a poverty, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Not even window we can buy if you finish putting a the other part of house.
Daddy, I'm go buy with me.
If you don't want to buy it, you don't get pregnant?
No.
Petra,
Era say my contract 40 years.
Petra, listen to me. You is a disgrace to me. You bring shame coming out with yard. The people look down for with Petra.
Daddy, me never mean because she a pound. Me sorry.
God, I never know that Shadow would have come in my yard. You come and try with this girl, yeah. You come and try with your Petra.
Forgive me,
Every
Daddy,
good thing to give you, Petra. Everything where you want me and your mother try to give you.
I know everything, Daddy, but I did satisfied too. I know everything you no give me.
Come out of the face, Petra. Come out of the face. You're a disgrace. Straight up around here, there go.
Can't Tanya. She going up at the boy yard right now. She cannot stay here. I don't care if he want to take her in. She can't stay here because we live nowhere. Where we going to put him? Him on the picnic. Eh?
No, man. But this year, no. The man can train out, you know, and don't breed around, don't food you there, we have this material.
What do you mean by we have to take her? I cannot keep her. You don't see the state where we're living in? What do you think our neighbor going to say when they see the little picnic girl with big old gut? And we send her go to school and they only picnic where we can take shame out of we eye?
No, but we know go man and up the money and the rest of that we buy you there.
That is what you think. Well, I mean, well, she cannot stay here. She's so dry. Suppose you see how she tear out the eye looking on both of us, but I have something. You know, right now I feel like I would have ripped her to shred. Well, alright, that's your opinion. I cannot do anything about it, but she can. Yes, honey. Alright, sweetheart. Tell you what, I'll call you back later. You hear?
Yeah, mama.
Alright, have a good day. What is it now, honey?
Honey,
You take her and bring her upstairs yet?
no, honey, me leave
So what
her.
you waiting on?
Me tell her to wait for me outside.
Why? I don't want to hear something. Then you want the people them.
You just called a while ago.
I just called somebody because I couldn't keep it anymore. Me call Riley. Simple as that. Because I just couldn't take it anymore. I feel like I was going to explode.
Honey, me I tell you the honest truth, honey. I feel weak. I don't know if I can go on here. I feel weak.
You have to get strength to go up there with her. Well, send her up there on her one day if you don't want to go with her. Because I would be ashamed to. You think I would go up there with her?
Honey, look how hard we work to send that little girl go to school, honey. Huh?
And this is the pay that she give to us. This is the thanks.
You know when me I take up her little thing then. You know what the girl said to me, honey?
What she said to you?
I talk about say it's Errol's fault.
Oh,
I tell her that bird of a feather
flock together.
Right? Petra is a disgrace.
Of course she's a disgrace.
I tell her that she's a disgrace.
Look where we are. We don't have anything. She see how we struggle to send her to school and this is the pay? My God, I can't deal with it. I cannot deal with it.
I tell you, I feel weak, my wife, but I can't have her in the house, not even for your next second.
No,
I don't want to see her anymore, my wife. I let you take out every clothes out of the job. I don't want to remember her, my wife. I tell you the honest truth.
I don't blame you, my husband. You think I blame you? I don't blame you. You can imagine, look, both of us, we can't even walk, we can't even work for anybody. Sometimes we have to borrow the money to send her go school.
And look what trouble come right in a we yard.
She not have no ambition, you know, and she telling you about his error.
The wife, when me come to tell you, say, me a leave out now.
Go ahead, my husband, go ahead.
Mighty God.
This girl want to tear us and rip us to shred. This girl want to finish us.
You see the long journey where you have me a walk? You see the long journey where you have me a walk? Eh? You see this stupid decision where you make now? You see where it costs? Disgrace for me and your mother. When everybody find out say you're pregnant, what you think that go happen? One bag of chatting. We respectably in the community. Now everything come down for we. Huh?
So daddy, if people want chat, so if people
as
want
say
chat.
you're alright with this, you know.
No.
But we will ring off your ears. You hear what me I say? But we ring off your ears.
Daddy,
The best thing you have to do right now is better you shut up your mouth. Yes, Miss Monica, you is the right person I want to see.
Why I am the right person you want to see now, Mr. Jeremiah?
You know say your son Errol pregnant me daughter Petra? Talk up.
yes, Errol pregnant me.
My son Errol could have never pregnant she. Errol would have never do that. And him knows him having future ahead of him. You must be crazy or something.
What you mean by Errol have a bright future in front of him? Petra did have a bright future in front of her too, and him destroy her future.
Yes.
Go over there.
Yes, he
Go like
pregnant me.
What you mean by where me going? I'm going home. She's your responsibility now.
Mr. Jeremiah, Mr. Jeremiah.
What happened?
You cannot leave her.
Suppose you push me down.
I'm not pushing you down, sir, but you cannot send her over me yard like that.
So where's she going to go?
Sir, she cannot stay over there because you can't just leave from your yard and shove her about say my son breeder.
Listen
How
to
you
me.
sure is my son?
It
This-
is your son.
It is not because these young people nowadays, Mr. Jeremiah, have more than one man. You don't know that. So why is my
little
son
daughter
future?
have her future ahead of her, and you can tell me that she have more than one man?
I'm
Huh?
not sure, but what I'm saying, your daughter can come blight it in my picnic future. So you
Listen,
cannot send
this
her
is a
over there.
police matter,
What you
so the police is going to get involved. So
all right, Mr.
when the
Jeremiah.
DNA do, we will see if it's your
All right,
son
no
one.
bother with that, man. No bother with that. Well,
You calm down now.
no, it's not that I
You
calm
calm
down.
down
But
now.
what I'm saying, sir, is that you don't approach the matter properly.
I approach it very well.
Mr. Jeremiah, that's not how you deal with things, man. Now I'm supposed to reach and deal with a patient shortly. And look how you come to me, man. You're
You're looking at me. You're looking at
All right,
me. You see the disgrace, so you call down for me in the neighborhood.
All right, load up your voice, man. Nobody load up the thing, make people hear. Go on over there and sit in the dining room till I come. Mr. Jeremiah, you cannot deal with things like this, you know. So you
How
want
I
to
should deal with
embarrass
it?
me? Don't embarrass me in the district. You know that I'm a well respectable lady.
I am not the one that is disrespecting you or embarrassing you. Your son did not to keep his willy in his pants. That is what causing the problem right now.
But you cannot say that about my son, sir, because you're not sure is my son child.
So
You
that's
understand me?
what you're trying to say. My daughter is telling me lie.
I'm not saying that, sir, but I'm just saying that young people always tell lie, you know, a little bit of lie.
Not
You
the
understand
daughter.
what I'm saying?
Not the daughter.
So how you
Right.
sure are your daughter, sir? Well, all right, listen to me. I don't want to fight with you guys because I don't want people hear me mouth. You know
Well,
that people
the
don't really
belly
hear me
a
mouth.
grow, so the whole district are gonna know.
Tone down, man. Come on, man. Turn down your volume, man. It's too loud. Well, all right. Tell you what, we have to deal with this more professionally. Let you stay over there for tonight. Oh, you shouldn't come and let me talk better than this, man. All right. If he's my son child, right? I will take very good care of the child.
But you
don't
have to.
Take time now.
And you have to send her back to school.
Send her back to school. It don't look like she wants to go back to school.
What you mean by that?
All right, tone down. The point is I just don't want these embarrassment on my son, you know.
Well,
You
it's on
understand
him
me?
already. So you're gonna make him stop for school and take care of him responsibility.
I am very...
Else I'm going to work hard and get a lawyer and put
Alright,
on this case.
don't do that, sir. Don't do that. My son is not going to stop from school because it's the last year for him. And he will be going to college shortly. So, but no worry about your grandpick me, you hear? I'll take very good care of her or him, you hear? Alright, man, calm down, calm down. My God. I saw in here so look good. In your pretty stuff. I first me see them the pretty curtain. My God. Lord have mercy. Me catch a me man yard. And one thing me know. This a picking here lick me right to heaven. Me like he place. I should have a long time me live up here so come me not like for me yard. You want to sit and eat and drink. Me can't be. Watch out that fridge stuff. And there are so much thing in it. Me thirsty for the sun when too hot. How are this sign here, so? How are this that? It smell like potato pudding. Yes, old girl. Well, I did hungry bad. From morning. From morning. They will come down with a pregnancy. My mother-in-law said me to relax myself. If I come over, I can relax. I'll him up here, they live them your life here. Have everything in a fridge, and when he done it, he come to school and stress me out about him want this a big lunch and that day. And he 2 pence so me can want yummy from me. And me and him up here. Me and him. Oh. Look, I can't have everything up at this place here. Eh? Everything. It's just nicer. What a boy wicked. When me done, me go be a big king. I wonder how would be at this. It tastes real good though. Tastes real good, eh? I'm going to piece of this come at school, come give me my mini.
Mommy.
How that sound like a...
Mommy.
That sound like a error.
How we are doing?
Oh, you mean I want
How
me
we
to
are
do
doing
that?
for me yard? Me not say enough to come up on me.
Let's not get off on me bag and move from before me.
We are up here.
Let you hear me say let off on me bag and move from before me, boy.
Where my mother there?
Your mother said she gone down so I go back on me feet. Your mother not here. She gone and want to work and look after somebody and she said me must make myself comfortable. Me tell her say me pregnant for you. That me tell your mother.
Listen to me.
Let go of me and me lick off your
know where you're up to, you know.
Move it up from here, so.
Me know where you're up to, you know. Who gave me pudding?
Me take it out of the fridge and yam it cause me hungry. So then I like you open your yard and live and then yam me out when you come to school.
Actually, you know, say me have my girlfriend at school, you know. And that make
which
girlfriend? Me, you know.
Force up on who?
And that
take it out of my face.
And that make you want to come give me this up, you know.
Give it.
And you want to mash up my life.
You're lucky. Then, sure, me let me tell you something, me hungry, you hear me? And me don't want you draw me out today.
Don't make me deal with you, you know.
You say that I feel me pick me, you know.
And you're
I
picking.
you know say my woman want to take me up, that's the problem.
Well, whether it's you're picking it or not, you are getting it because you know the reason why is me and you, everybody see, and that's final. And let me make me name my breakfast in a piece, you know. Come we tear you up, you know. Oh, that me I tell you. When me done me they go bed. And you go show me where the bathroom there. Move from before me too. Me say move from before me. Move from me, sir. Move from me. Take over what? Take over what? You rich, you never know say. You never know say me no live nowhere. You shouldn't come disturb me and try destroy me life. You go see who for life and destroy
you. You think you gonna stay your favor? You think you gonna stay your favor?
Why you gonna do about it? Why you gonna do about it, boy? Why you gonna do about it?
My mother, please.
No, come touch me, man. Come touch me, man. Take up. If you're bad, come. I know that you feel do error. Error. See me bag ya. See me bag ya. Move it from off of the table. Move it, your thing say. I feel your place. You think you can run me out? You think you can run me out here?
You see a warrior want to take place in this place.
War me want. You still want me a warrior. I want me a warrior.
You like how you talk too big in my mother house, you know. You like how you talk too big in my mother house, you know. Come go your yard. Come go your yard.
Me not go nowhere because your mother tell me every time you make myself come. Me not go nowhere. Move from here, sir. I'm going to throw my bathroom to make me fresh up myself. That's the fiddle. The pudding tastes good. I will be able to taste real good. I want to freshen up myself. Me hot, you see? You're not hot? Me hot body, sun is hot, sir. I sun turn up nowadays. I look for me, sir.
If I look by you, I know say your family my destruction, you know. I don't know where I put myself in this a destructive family.
You're late. You're late. Because I'm blow like a bull. You're late.
Go in my room until my...
Go your room. You better show me where your room is. In the minute sleep with you. Go your way there, go that you feed up. And me tell you to go show me where the bathroom there, you know. Oh. Oh, that tastes good.
Ethic, a long time thing. Up and Christ to them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
See the river just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me not give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now. Clear the path and the way for me Lord right now.